Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone a 128-point inspection by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year, with a single call-out. We can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the professional trim level, comes with the electrically adjustable mirrors, which also offer a heating feature. Twin sliding door. It's also been fitted with Rhino roof rack bars. At the rear, you have the barn-style opening doors. And over to the curb side, you have the other sliding door and the fuel flap for the diesel, while you can find the AdBlue over the passenger door. Let's take a look into the cargo area. As you can see, other than the full metal bulkhead, you have a full wood ply lining over the sides and the doors, plus box wheel arch housings to get you an even shape over the cargo area, and then you also have 6 anchorage points over the floor line. It's also fitted with 2 lighting fixtures, and the sizes of this cargo area are 130 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 136 centimeters up to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then an extensive 242 centimeters of fully usable floor space. Let's take a look into the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passengers. Once you gain access, you have storage solutions over the passenger side and one cupboard at the center console, and then you also have an adjustable in height steering wheel and also depth adjustment. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks with a digital trip computer. Part of the professional trim kit is the automatic headlights and the cruise control, which are located on the left-hand side, and then you also have the automatic wipers and the infotainment remote controls. Just behind it, you have also the toggle for the volumetric alarm and the dial to adjust the height of the beam. While over the driver armrest, you have the controls for the power windows and power mirror. The infotainment is a Vauxhall NAC unit fitted with DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple Carplay through the USB cable, and obviously also Bluetooth compatibility. Just underneath you can find the air conditioning controls plus the toggle for the heated mirrors, and then a couple more controls for the center locking unit and rear lock, another 12-volt port and a USB Type-A, and one storage shelf especially useful for your phone. And this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.